Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Soon. Also, welcome to the episode 31 of Leetcode SQL 50 Challenge. In the previous episodes, we have completed a lot of problems and a lot of topics. This is the last topic that we have covered, and we have completed all these problems. Now, in this episode, we are starting with the new topic, that is subqueries. So, what is a subquery? Subquery means query within another query. We write SQL queries to solve one problem, right? We will include a subquery. When I say subquery, it means we include a query inside another query. From now, we are going to solve all these problems using subqueries. In the previous episodes also, in a couple of problems, we have used subqueries. So, without any further delay, let's get started. The problem that we are going to solve today is employees whose manager left the company. So in this problem, we are given one table. The table name is employees table. It has details like employee ID, employee name, manager ID, and the employee's salary. Okay. Manager ID means this employee is working under which manager. So all these details have belong to the employee only. Now find the IDs of employees whose salary is strictly less than $30,000. How can we find this? Using this salary column, we just have to check the amount. And whose manager left the company. So this and this both combination should be there. So what are we supposed to use? We are supposed to use the AND operator. Two things should be there. Okay. So when a manager leaves the company, their information is deleted from the employees table, but the reports still have their manager ID set to their manager left. So this is a common problem that people face. So what are we going to do is we are supposed to find those employees whose manager left the company. Also, the result should be ordered by employee ID. Whenever you heard the word ordered by, it's nothing but arranging the result in ascending order or descending order. Because they didn't mention anything, it is ascending order. By default, when you use order by, it happens ascending order only. If at all you want to make it descending, you have to add this word DESE. Okay. Now, without any further delay, let's look at an example. Here we have an employees table. What is the first condition they said? Employee salary should be less than $30,000. So let's check the salary. 60 more, 31 is more, 67 is more, 21. So this is less than $30,000. So let's look at this guy. This guy name is Kalel, whose manager is 11. Now we want to check if this manager, this employee's manager, that is 11th guy, is present or not. So we'll check if 11 number is present in employee ID or not. 11 number is actually present. So we skip this. Now again checking 30,000 salary, 50,000 is more, and we have 28,000 something. So this is again less than $30,000. Now we will check for Georgia. We'll check for Georgia if his manager is present or not. So the manager ID is 6. We'll go to the employee ID column and check for the 6. There is no 6. So Georgia is a person who is earning less than $30,000 a month, and also his manager left the company. So in the result, we are only supposed to return the employee ID who is earning less and who has no manager, right? That's why we are not mentioning the manager ID. We are mentioning the employee ID. So Georgia is a person, right? So Georgia's employee ID we will mention. Here in this example, you can see only one thing. So if there are multiple rows present in the output, then you are supposed to order it by employee ID, which we'll add in the SQL statement that we're going to write. So let's see how to write the code. So whatever you're supposed to print in the output, like only one column, right? That column ID should be written in the select statement. So select employee underscore ID from the table employees. Till here it's clear. Now coming to the two condition. What are the two condition? For the first condition is salary should be less than $30,000. So where salary is less than $30,000. And why are we using AND operator? Because all the two conditions must satisfy. Right? So this is the first condition. Now speaking about the second condition, manager is not present in the employee ID column, right? So in the employee ID column, we will check if manager is not present. So manager ID not in. So in SQL, not is an operator used in combination with other operators. So for example, what are we combining not with? Not in we are using. So in SQL, in operator allows us to specify multiple values in a where clause. Okay. So manager ID not in, and we are opening the bracket. Whenever we are opening the bracket, understand that we are writing a subquery. Okay. Now, what is a subquery? Select employee ID from employees. So from this condition is checked inside the whole column of the table. Okay, if this manager ID is present or not, if the salary is less than 30,000 or not, it will check. That's it. This is the subquery condition. Now they said to order by employee ID. That's why we write this. So this is how we write code for this problem. This is pretty simple. I hope you understood it. But still, if you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. Also, stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. We're done with the first problem. The second problem is also pretty simple, but the difficulty keeps increasing as we go down. So I request you to please stay tuned with the upcoming videos. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.